Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change name and comments in Adobe Acrobat. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Acrobat, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing the name displayed on your comments in Adobe Acrobat is easy and can be done by adjusting your identity settings. So once you open your file here in Adobe Acrobat, I want you to hover to the menu options, wherein you have to go down to the preferences or press Ctrl plus K on your keyboard. Click that, and I want you to hover to where it says commenting. All right, so you have all these options for you. All right, viewing comments are Adobe Clean. If you want to change the font size, you can do so, and the font style as well. So you have all these. We're gonna skip that for now. But what's important is you want to make sure in the making comments, make sure this is not turned on. Do not use your login name for author name, so you can have the flexibility to change your name in Adobe Comments, all right, or Adobe Acrobat Comments. Now, after doing so, click on OK. Now, I want you to type in your first comment. In the right side corner of your dashboard, there should be an option that says comments, right? You can review comments, copy text, edit, mark it unread, and a lot more. Click that. For example, we're going to add a comment, all right? And you can tag the person here. Anyone with the @ sign will be invited to comment on this file after it's uploaded. Basically, this is very helpful if you are working with multiple freelancers or team members within this project, or if you're working with their client and gonna send this file, you might want to do with that. Now I want you to click on post. All right. Now for you to be able to change as you can see, my name has been shown here as G Plaps, and for you to be able to change your name, you have to click the three dots icon here and click the properties, not edit, but click the properties. What will happen is you would be forwarded to a new dialog box, and there are three tabs: appearance, general, review history. Now, if you want to change the color, for now, we're going to see like a red one. Click that. Go now to the general option. You can now change your name from G Plaps to maybe, let's say, for instance, it's going to be this. Subject is taken note. If you want to change that as well, you're welcome to do that. You can also opt in to lock it or make properties default. By clicking that, you would be able to change your name here without any problem. All right, so the idea is that if you accidentally entered the wrong name or misspell it in the comment section, you might need to change it to ensure your comments reflect your correct identity, right? Now, again, go to the properties. We're going to obviously change this to the way it was, and that's gonna be the right. And again, click that. This is very useful for consistency in professional or collaborative environments, especially again when working on team projects or even with your clients. You may want your comments to reflect your full name or the company name for better recognition. All right, or if you want to provide anonymity or privacy, if you need to provide feedback for our comments on a document without revealing your identity, you might want to change your name to something generic or like that. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.